Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, great night. Today I'm doing a fall morning routine, so you guys can follow along with me this morning. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and it will be a great video. So to start out, waking up like everybody else, my alarm goes off about 6 a.m. My first thing is to pull up my phone, and just to help me wake up, I just start posting, interacting online, going through, seeing who's messaged, all the normal stuff plus a million other things. So once I've gone through all those posts, I like to go in and make my bed. That's one thing that's great. I love making my bed. Okay, sorry, that was a little weird. But anyways, from there I kneel down and I say a quick prayer. And then of course I gotta start in the morning with going to the bathroom, yep. So I wash off my face real quick. From there, I like to go down and I'll grab my smoothie out of the fridge, and then I'll go over and start my scripture reading. I love just starting out the morning, just being spiritual, just really relaxing. It's all good. So from there, I grab my tablet and I'll turn on a conference talk. It's just kind of like a spiritual devotional for my church. We do conference twice a year, so I've been going back in time, and now in the 2000s, and I listen to one of those every single morning. Next I'll kind of change into something that I have a lower collar, like my robe, or something that I can get dirty a little bit. It's not a big deal. So of course, gotta brush through my hair, kind of put up a little bit so I can actually do things with a lot of hair, as you can see, so it takes a little bit. So brush through it, do a little bit of that, and of course drinking my smoothie as I am getting ready. So I put on my makeup, and this is probably the point in the morning when I actually wake up. Brianna, yeah, I'm talking in third party here, but when I wake up in the morning, I am like a grumpy little person. I'm just super tired, and it's really hard. So I'm I don't talk to very many people. But just kind of, I get ready, put all my makeup on, all the different layers, and all of that. So I do some makeup tutorials, so I'm not going to focus as much on that today, but go over and check it out on my, you can check out my other videos and kind of see that in detail. So from this point, I am going to get dressed. Usually just wear leggings, hoodie throughout the day because I just work from home. So just something very comfortable and a little warm because it's usually pretty cold in my apartment. So today I'm actually going to go hiking, so I'm going to make sure we look great. But now I'll go back to my desk and make sure to do my hair. We're doing a little curly today, so that's a little bit fun. And about this point is when I can finish up my smoothie. So going in, we're doing a little brush my teeth because you gotta have some good smell and breath, that breath, you gotta make sure. So go back into my room and start putting my shoes on. So That's always fun. A little bit of earrings. So it's a little, maybe I'll change it up a little bit every morning, but for the basis, this is my morning routine. I'm very much like same pattern, same thing every morning. So yep, very little the same stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then let me know below. I want to know what is something you do in the morning that's unique. Let me know that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, great night. Bye. I love you.